Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. Today we're taking a trip to the beach, one of my favorite places in the world.
Me too. The sound of the waves, the sunshine, and the cool breeze, it's just perfect.
And it's also a great place to practice English. In today's episode, we'll talk about how to make plans to go to the beach, describe what you see, and have conversations while you're there.
So, grab your sunscreen and your sunglasses. Let's go to the beach.
Let's start with how friends might talk about going to the beach.
Right. Here's an example conversation.
Hey, David, what are you doing this weekend?
Not much. Why?
I'm thinking about going to the beach. Would you like to come?
That sounds great. Which beach are you going to?
Probably Sunny Bay Beach. It's not too far from here.
Perfect. What time should we go?
Let's leave around 9 a.m. so we can enjoy the morning sun.
Good idea. I'll bring some snacks and drinks.
Awesome. I'll bring sunscreen and a beach ball.
That's a great example. You can use phrases like, would you like to go? Or, that sounds great. Or, what time should we go?
Yes, simple, polite, and friendly English for making fun plans. When you arrive at the beach, you can describe what you see and feel.
Here are some useful words and phrases. It's sunny and warm today. The water looks so blue. The sand is soft. There are a lot of people swimming. I love the sound of the waves.
And don't forget, you can also talk about what you're wearing. I'm wearing my swimsuit. I have sunglasses and a hat. I'm putting on sunscreen.
Wow, it's such a beautiful day today.
Yes, the sky is so clear and the water looks amazing.
I love the smell of the ocean.
Me too. Let's find a good spot to sit.
Good idea. I'll put down the towel.
I'll take off my shoes. The sand feels so soft.
That's how you can start a nice, natural conversation when you arrive.
And remember, use your senses, what you see, hear, feel, and smell. Now, let's talk about the fun part, what you can do at the beach.
Right. You can say, let's go swimming. Let's play volleyball. Let's build a sandcastle. Let's take some pictures.
Or, if you want to relax, I'm going to lie down and read. I just want to listen to music. Hey, David, do you want to go swimming?
Sure, but let's wait a bit. I just ate some snacks.
Okay, then let's play volleyball first.
Great idea. After that, we can build a sandcastle.
Perfect. It's been a long time since I built one.
Let's make the biggest sandcastle on the beach.
That's such a fun and natural way to chat while spending time with friends.
Yes, use let's plus verb to make friendly suggestions. Let's swim, let's eat, or let's relax.
It's also important to know how to talk about being safe at the beach.
Exactly. Here are some useful phrases. Don't forget to put on sunscreen. Be careful, the water is deep. I think I need some shade. Let's drink some water.
And if you feel too hot, you can say, it's really hot today. Or, let's take a break under the umbrella.
Emily, don't forget to put on sunscreen.
Oh, right. I almost forgot. It's so sunny today.
Yeah, and make sure to drink some water, too.
Good idea. I don't want to get sunburned or tired.
At the end of the day, you can use sentences like, "That was such a great day. I had so much fun. Let's come back next weekend. I'm tired but happy.
That was such a fun day.
Yeah, I really enjoyed swimming and playing volleyball.
The sunset is beautiful too. Look at those colors.
Wow, you're right. Let's take one last picture.
Good idea. Then we can pack up and go home.
Perfect. I can't wait to come back next time.
Let's review today's beach vocabulary.
Here we go. Beach, sand, waves, sunscreen, towel, swimsuit, sunglasses, umbrella, seashells, sandcastle.
And useful phrases. It's sunny and warm. Let's go swimming. Don't forget your sunscreen. That was a great day.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you're at the beach. Say these sentences out loud. 1. The water looks so blue. 2. Let's build a sandcastle. 3. Don't forget to put on sunscreen. 4. That was such a fun day.
Nice work. Practicing out loud will help you sound more natural every day.
Well, that's it for today's episode of Everyday English.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about your day at the beach.
Next time, we'll go somewhere exciting again. We're talking about at the park.
Yay! Fresh air, trees, and fun conversations.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time, and don't forget your sunscreen. Bye-bye.